Ready to wield a screwdriver like a lightsaber? Dive into the world of DIY PC repairs and gaming builds. So, you've decided to take the plunge into the realm of DIY PC repairs and gaming rig assembly. Let's get you from newbie to nerdmaster, step by step. First things first, let's talk safety. Always work in a static-free environment and keep those components safe. Step 1. Diagnosing the problem. Is your PC slow? Crashing during games? It could be a sign of a failing component. Use software like CPU-Z to check your system's health. Step 2. Picking the right tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, and thermal paste. Simple tools, big impact. Step 3. Replacing components. Start by slowly removing the existing component. For RAM or GPU, unclip and gently pull out. If it's the CPU, handle with extra care. Always check socket compatibility with your motherboard before buying new parts. Step 4. Assembling a gaming rig. Begin with the motherboard, then slot in the CPU, apply thermal paste, and attach the cooler. Next, RAM slots in, click. Follow with GPU, storage, and finally, power supply. Last step, testing. Boot up your machine and enter BIOS. Check if all hardware is detected and tweak settings for optimal gaming performance. Congratulations! You're now the captain of your own tech ship, ready to sail the vast digital seas. Keep learning, keep building, and most importantly, keep gaming.